When you're developing shell programs using Vi, you find that there is a constant cycle of writing code and then testing code, and then writing some more code and then testing that code, and so on. Now what some people do, people who don't know any better, is they start Vi, then they make their changes, then they quit out of Vi, then they test those changes by running the script. Then when the script is finished, they start Vi again and make some more changes, and then they quit Vi and then run the script again, and so on. Now this little module here is a module that shows you a number of shortcuts that you can use to make that whole process considerably faster. In fact, it turns out that you never need to leave Vi at all. You can do all your testing and running of the script from within Vi. Let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at these techniques. The first is, from within Vi, if you type :!, it allows you to run any single Unix command. And that's any command at all. You could run ls. You could run another Vi session if you wanted to. And you could even run the script that you're currently in the middle of editing. Let me show you a brief example of that. So here I am in the script, and I might want to run, I don't know, anything, the ls program. So I do : ls, and then press enter, and then it gives me the ls listing, and then it says press return or enter another command to continue. Now I don't have any other commands to continue, so I will just press return, and it leaves me back in Vi again. So I just ran a regular Unix command, and I did that without leaving Vi. That of course can be extended to running this script itself. So I can go : my script, like so, and it says hello, and press return, and I am back again. So I've actually tested my script from within Vi. There's an example of it there on your screen, but I just showed you that, so we'll move on. Now it actually gets better than that, because you can actually repeat any command that you just ran by typing the following: : again, followed by the enter. That will repeat whatever command it was you just ran. So let's have a look at that. Back in Vi, I'll simply type : and press enter, and it runs my script. Why does it run my script? Well, because that's exactly the command that I asked it to run just a moment ago. Now, you can actually cause it to run anything. You can say who pipe2 wc-l, and there's 55 users currently logged into the system. If I go : I get exactly the same command run again, and again obviously I get the same answer. So that should hopefully significantly cut down on the amount of typing that you have to do in order to get your script to run. Theoretically, you only have to type : my script once, and that runs the script, and then every subsequent time, 1 keystroke, 2 keystrokes, 3 keystrokes, and then the enter, and that's it. So it's 4 keystrokes to get your program to run again. So here's our example just described in the slide. We could just type in : my script enter. Now it goes even further. There's yet another shortcut offered by Vi, and that is the file that you're currently in the middle of editing, whatever that file happens to be, can be inserted into that command line, the : command line, by using the %sign. So you never even need to type out the word my script. You can just use % in its place. Now that has some useful applications. For example, if you wanted to make the script executable, this is all you'd have to type: : chmod plus x %. And what would happen would be, in place of the % would be my script. Or if you wanted to run the current script, all you'd have to do would be type : %sign. Let's have a look at those demonstrated. Just make the current script executable: : chmod. It's already executable, but I'll just do it again just for the fun of it. %sign. And then, now notice that the %sign has disappeared and it's been replaced by the word my script. And of course that worked. Or I could do : ls -l %sign, and then I get a long listing of my script. Or I can just run the current script : %, and then I get hello. So those are very, very handy shortcuts. If you do use Vi on a regular basis, I suggest that you adopt those as quickly as you can. It will save you quite a lot of time.